Hey there, and welcome. Today, we're diving into how you can use Notion, along with its latest features, to plan, organize, and actually see your entire 2026 come to life with the Vision Board template. If you're ready to start your Notion journey right now, stick around. Oh, and don't forget to check the video description. You can grab a free, lighter version of the template and start using it today. Who do you want to become this year? At the top of your planner, you'll find a space to choose the archetype you want to embody for the year. Just below, you'll see a section where you can decide what parts of your old self you want to keep and what you're ready to let go. To add a new item, simply click New Page, rename it however you like, and choose an area from the existing list. On the right side, the summary updates automatically based on what you add or remove in each category. Then, you can fill in the little description box to explain your choice. And finally, if you scroll down, you'll discover a Mindset Reset section, designed to help you clarify your goals and realign your beliefs with the commitments you're ready to make this year. The Vision Board is split into two sections. At the top, you'll find 8 areas representing key aspects of your life, allowing you to track your progress in each one. Below that, there's a customizable vision board. Simply click the New button to add a new image, either by uploading from your personal files or embedding one from the web. You can freely arrange everything to create the perfect visual board for your ideal year. The monthly breakdown is connected to the areas we just covered. At the top of the dashboard, you'll see a yearly overview that rolls up your progress. Each month includes a report of your objectives and tracked results. Click on any month to open a full form where you can set your actions and reflect on your progress. To add a new goal, return to the dashboard and scroll down. Select the month where you want to track a new goal, then click the New button to add a new entry. Rename your goal, set an objective, and make sure to assign it to the relevant area you want to track. After that, you can input your results, which will update the progress bar based on how close you are to reaching your goal. This will also update the monthly report. Now, go back to the Vision Board page, and you'll see the area connected to the new goal. As you can see, the goal's progress is also reported in that area, allowing you to track your advancement across all aspects of your life. Make it a habit to check in on your goals every quarter, using the Ready-to-Go section built right into the template. If you want to edit a property in the database at the bottom of the page, just open it and click Rename. To add a new property, first reveal the hidden ones so you can create an extra field. Then select Checkbox and rename it the same way. Once you're done, go back to the previous page, open the database settings, and head to Property Visibility. From there, simply click the little eye icon to make your new property visible. The Projects and Milestones page helps you track your objectives with specific deadlines. To create a new goal, click the New button at the top of the dashboard. Rename your goal and select an area from the existing list. Set a deadline, and if you'd like, add a reminder by selecting that option so you'll get a notification from Notion. As you make progress, update the status accordingly, and when completed, you can move the goal to the archive. Down here, you can build a clear roadmap for your year. Just hit New in the right section to add a milestone. And once you've completed it, simply update its status. That way, you'll always know exactly where you stand on your yearly journey. To kick off your 30-day challenge from the start, just use the Refresh button at the top left of the page. One click, and all the daily status is reset. Boom, you're ready to go. From there, simply hit Mark as completed each time you finish a day, and the progress bar will automatically update as you move through the challenge. And yup, the monthly challenge works exactly the same way. To start recording your reflections for 2026, simply click the action button on the left side of your dashboard. This will automatically create a page for that day. Open it and fill out the pre-configured form. You also have the option to record monthly reflections. Just click on a month to access a pre-configured form. Once you're finished, you can mark the month as complete to update its status. At the end of the year, this page will help you reflect on your journey, highlighting what went well and what areas need improvement. Simply expand the toggles to start answering the questions.